If you're looking for a gin cocktail that's nice and floral and bittersweet, keep watching because today I'm going to make for you the Jasmine Cocktail. Okay, so Jasmine Cocktail. I love this cocktail. It was created in the mid-1990s by Paul Harrington at the Townhouse Bar in California. And it was his slightly bittersweet riff on the Pigou Club cocktail. And it's really easy to make. So I like to use a floral style gin. I'm going to use the Hendrick's Midsummer Solstice. It is infused with a lot of floral essences. And we're looking at 45 mils or 1.5 ounces. Next up, 15 mils of Campari for that bitterness. If you find that it's a little bit too bitter for you, I've also used Aperol before and that works really well. Then 15 mils of Cointreau, which is an orange triple sec liqueur. And last but not least, 15 mils of fresh lemon juice. Give that some ice. And a bit of a shake. Okay. As usual, straining it into a chilled glass. I'm using the Angie Camorra. That beautiful colour. I use just a lemon twist. But on this one I'm going to just spritz over the top and discard. That is Jasmine and I'm going to give it a try. It is definitely not what you would expect looking at it because it's a really nice pink, sweety sort of looking cocktail, but that bitterness element for me works really, really well. If you love Negronis and things like that and something that is bitter, this is definitely your cocktail, although it's balanced really, really well. Give it a try, guys, as I say to all these cocktails, because everything that I make I actually love. The Jasmine, please like, subscribe. See you again soon on Let's Talk Drinks.